Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best screwdriver sets that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Screwdriver Sets. When it comes to screwdrivers, few people actually require a large number of types and sizes. However, only a handful of screwdrivers are needed to complete most projects on the job, in your workshop, or at home. The best screwdriver set will be durable, comfortable, precise and possibly last you a lifetime. If any of the following apply to you, high-quality screwdriver set. Number 5. TECKMAN 10-in-1 Torx Screwdriver Set. The Torx screwdriver bits are made of good S2 steel, specially hardened and durable than silver bits, high quality for long time use. Ergonomic design, nice screwdrivers. Main features: magnetic screwdriver kit, complete repair tool set, durable construction. Number 4. 6 pieces mini screwdriver set with case. Our mini screwdriver set is a good choice for fixing small screwdriver, such as jewelry repair, watch repair, eyeglasses repair, kids toy repair and others. Our precision screwdriver set. Main features: easy to carry, rotary design, 100% guarantee. Number 3. Magnetic screwdriver set. 14 pieces include chromium vanadium steel screwdriver bar for enhanced durability, ergonomic non-slip handles made of PP plus TPR for your comfort with sizing printed for easy identification. Main features: multifunctional tool set, premium materials, portable and warranty. Number 2. Magnetic screwdriver set. 10 pieces. Screwdriver set is designed for domestic appliances, furniture, automotive, factory. They are capable of meeting your various needs. It attracts screws easily screw out after unraveling. Main features: premium materials, upgraded packaging, strong magnetic tip. Number 1. Portable keychain screwdriver multifunction screwdriver set. Precision cast steel, 100% new high-quality screwdriver keychain tool. Simple screwdriver keychain is light. Use a key screwdriver's nut wrenches anytime. Main features: portable screwdriver, screwdriver keys size, daily use. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.